Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platform, which is ProtonVPN and Windscribe VPN. So to get started with a quick overview, ProtonVPN is a privacy-centric VPN from the creator of ProtonMail, known for its open source transparency, swift jurisdiction, and a low log policy. It's ideal for users who want a robust digital privacy backed by independent audit. Talking about Windscribe on the other side, is a versatile VPN with a generous free plan, strong encryption, and a fun branding. It offers flexible features including custom server configuration and hacks tracker blocking, appealing to both beginners and powerful users. And talking about what these two platforms are best at. So talking about the ProtonVPN, what is it best at for doing? So ProtonVPN is best for privacy, purest, and user in resistive region. And talking about the Windscribe on the other side, this VPN is best for users who want a flexibility and a great free features and a built-in hard tracker blocking. And these two platforms are very good. And here's a quick overall conclusion about these two platforms. So choose the ProtonVPN if you value an audited transparency with a swift privacy law and a serious no-log commitment. On the other side, you can choose Windscribe if you want more customization with a better ads blocking and a full generous free experience.